Welcome back to Jiggity's tutorials. Today you are going to learn how to export a product. From the home page, if you scroll up to where it says Administration, you will see at the bottom of the drop-down menu where it says Export Data. Today I'm going to export products, so I will click there. From this page, you can choose what you would like to export. For example, if you don't want to export minimum order quantity, you can click on that line and then press the arrow to move it over to the available fields. If you would like to add it back, or any of the other available fields, you can click the arrow to move it back over to exported fields. You can leave the other fields as the default that it has selected, and then from the top right corner, click the Export button, and you will see that it right away downloads a CSV file with your products. When I open that up, it will show along the top row the different things that got exported. For example, product code, language, product ID, and category. All of the information for each of my products is listed after that. That's all there is to it. You are now ready to export your products.